SmartTech Granite countertops ATC CNC router is suitable for cabinets, artificial stone, quartz stone countertops and sink, T-tray caving, European-style edging, and other heterosexual stone, ceramics, glass and ceramic stone drilling, sanding, edge down, carving, 3D and 3D application, including kitchen tops, shower plates, tombstones, bas-reliefs, roofing and lettering. Automatic Granite countertop CNC router could be widely used for artificial stone, marble, quartz stone, ceramics, resin and other industries, carving, special shaped cutting, punching, chamfering of edge, etc. materials. Could be widely used for a different industry, such as kitchen table, bathroom sanitary ware, laboratory table, crafts, resin, etc. Stone cabinet table processing center features. At 1. Hole machine of the bed adopts thick steel pipe welding and tempering treatment to eliminate internal stress and make the machine tool work for a long time without deformation. At 2. The main shaft adopts Taiwan large torque mechanical shaft, which has large strength and long service life. At 3. This system is acceptable CAD direct input control, no need G-code programming. At 4. The clamping workpiece adopts large suction sucker, which is very firm and safe to fix the workpiece. SmartEsh SSA Pro Series Stone ATC CNC router features. 1. The software for Graphics.NX 3.0, Mastercam 9.0. The software set the CAD/CAM as a whole. Through digital analysis, design, the product was processed to support procedural 3, IGS, SCEP, DXF, DWB, and other documents. 2. The ATC system, the automatic system for changing tools, is improving the integration all in terms of making holes, cutting, milling, shaping and polishing. 3. The tools and abrasive, many kinds of cutting wheels and abrasives are very easily available from local markets for various processing requirements. 4. High precision screw and guide. The ball screw and guide rail are utilized by well-known German manufacturers. Unique oil dip lubrication is applied for X and Y axis. The special waterproof and dirt-proof structures can ensure better processing accuracy, also prolong the life of screws and rails furthest.